Okay, so this one's gonna be on how to be able to download and install the latest Android Studio. So let's go ahead and go to the browser, type in Android Studio download, and let's go ahead and go to the developer.android.com. Okay, then here just go ahead and click on Download Studio. Okay, and then go ahead and accept the license. Click on Download Studio for Windows. The next thing we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and run it. And okay, so click on Run. Go ahead and click on Next. Okay, then go ahead and click on Next, and make sure you leave both of these checked. Definitely want the Android virtual device. So let's go ahead and click on Next. Let's go ahead and click on Next and click on Install. Once it's completed, go ahead and click on Next. One thing that I forgot to mention, before you even install Android Studio, you want to make sure that you have Java installed on your actual system. That way, you know, Java is so it's gonna work, because it does require Java. So but hopefully you were already aware of that, but just in case you're not, you might want to go ahead and install Java. I have a video on how to be able to install it on Windows 10, and I'll go ahead and leave the link. Okay, so moving on, we're going to go ahead and complete the installation. Let's click on Next, Finish, and it's going to go ahead and launch Android Studio. Okay, there we go. And just for reference, this is actually based on the IntelliJ companies. So if you've used PyCharm before, I tend to use PyCharm a lot, so this is very familiar to what I work with, as far as with PyCharm is basically for Python, but basically if you use PyCharm, it's gonna feel very comfortable. You're gonna feel comfortable using this app, or this IDE. So that's it. As you see, we're basically ready. We can actually go ahead and start coding or creating our apps. So that's it. That's how you're able to install Android Studio on Windows 10. So that's it for now. Bye.